Hi everyone, I'm Amy and welcome back to My Crafty Home. Well, Valentine's Day is not too far away and it's definitely time to start thinking, what do I get that really hard to buy person? Well, this just might be the perfect gift. It's simple, all the materials I got was from the Dollar Tree and it literally took me like 5 minutes to make. Anyways, let me show you all the things that you'll need to get this cute little milkshake together. Oh, and if you're interested in getting more videos like this, just hit the subscribe button and you'll get my latest videos. And I highly suggest hitting the like button, because this thing is too cute not to like. You'll need 3 stems. I got the tea rose and I got 2 bushes of the carnations, one in pink and one in white, 1 glass, stem cutters, 2 bags of Starburst. And I didn't actually use these, so discard those. And you'll also need a floral foam. I couldn't find the round ones, but this one worked just as good. And you'll also need a Valentine heart straw. And don't forget your little chocolate. And you'll need a pen to kind of make edges in the foam, as you'll see here. When you're doing this, make sure that foam is really tight on the glass. You don't want it slipping and sliding once all the things are on there, so make sure that it's really on there good before you begin all the flowers. I love how these white carnations really look like whipped cream, and it just brings the whole thing all together. Now you'll add your straw. You can cut this if it's too long, but just find a little spot and put that right in and add your chocolate as your cherry. Now I'm using Starburst, the strawberry ones, because they're pink and they went with the pink flowers, but you can use anything that you like. Now that's definitely one good looking milkshake. And if you're interested in the candle in the back there, you can look in the link below. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Here's another video I think you'll enjoy, and hope to see you in the next one. Bye everyone.